Importance of prehab before ACL surgery. Hi, I'm Dr. Dhruvi Gandhi, sports physiotherapist, team Orthosports, Threads Physio. In today's video, we'll discuss about why you should prehab before your ACL surgery. We are all familiar with the term rehabilitation that include the various exercise program that focus on your range of motion, strength, mobility and balance after the ACL surgery. So prehab is the same thing as that of rehabilitation except in the terms of period before the ACL surgery. So prehab is all about optimizing the blood flow to your injured knee, gain the range of motion, strength and prevent the muscle wasting after the ACL surgery, and also in order to improve the chance of a strong and long-term recovery after the ACL surgery. Prehab is important before ACL surgery because high-grade ACL surgery will lead to the loss of range of motion, quadriceps muscle wasting, joint stiffness. Your knee joint is likely to be swelled up before you undergo the ACL surgery, and also this above all things lead to wear a brace before ACL surgery, and also there is a chance of a secondary damage like a meniscus tear and the chondral damage. Which are the components that you have to focus on your prehabilitation? So there are three main components that you have to focus on your prehabilitation. First is the range of motion component. In range of motion, you can perform the various range of motion exercising like hill slide, wall slide and prone knee bending. Second is your strengthening component. So strengthening the quadriceps along with the hip and ankle muscle is a crucial before ACL surgery. And third is the balancing component in order to improve the knee joint proprioception. So balancing in various stable and unstable surface you can include in your prehab before ACL surgery. Study also demonstrate the effect of prehabilitation on improving the post-operative strength, mobility and range of motion along with the various other component after ACL surgery, and also improve the return to sports in athlete. Study also demonstrate the effect of prehabilitation that improve the post-operative outcome like improvement in Tegner activity score, improvement in the Lishom score and also improvement in the Kuch questionnaires and IKDC questionnaire. So if you have any doubts regarding the prehab, which are the exercise that you should include in your prehab, feel free to contact us. If you have any doubts regarding your prehab, which are the exercises that you should include in your prehab, feel free to contact us. Thank you.